Hello there, guys. I'm coming to you with a video, and you can tell that's a little bit different because you can see me in this video. Okay, I just wanted to come and give a little update on what's going on with my channel. This, you being able to see me, is part of what's going on with my channel because I want to start doing more variety of videos. I want to do more variety because I get so much stuff in. Not only do I get in nail stuff, but I also get in like makeup stuff, eyelashes, and stuff like that. That's why my channel is called Jeans, Nails, and More. And I just want to start branching out a little bit, guys, and doing more videos about different stuff because I get, like I said, I get so much stuff in, and I want to do more hauls on, I just got a lot of stuff in today. And this is the stuff that I was waiting on so that I could do this video. Now, as you can see behind me, I guess, this is my ring light. This is my 14-inch ring light. This is the ring light that I use to make all of my nail videos. And you can't really see it, but this is my nail desk. I'll come back with that at another time. But anyway, I ordered because I didn't want to, this one is so big, I didn't want to have to try to move this ring light around so that I could shift it around and do different videos. So what I decided to do was I decided to order me a tabletop ring light, and that's what I'm coming to you with right now. And so that I could, do more videos with me in them, just in case we might want to do a little chit chat about something. Okay. And I hope that you're all doing well while we're all under quarantine or lockdown, guys. I mean, and I said, I have so much that I can be doing while, we're not able to really go much of anywhere. So that's why I decided to start doing things a little bit differently. So guys, I just hope that you will enjoy my videos. I've never done a, like a makeup video or get ready with me video, but I want to start doing those. My makeup routine is simple. I don't use all the stuff that you see these ladies on YouTube using. They're beautiful, but I just can't do all that stuff. I do primer, I do concealer, and I do foundation, and I do a powder, and that's it. And so I also want to come and do a video about how to apply lashes. I do my lashes a little bit different than most people. Not everyone, because I have seen some ladies on YouTube do their lashes the same way I do mine. But I find that it's a beginner-friendly way. If you can really get the right lash glue, you can really do it. And so I just want to have a whole lot more fun. And I feel like I've been kind of confined with my just doing my nail videos and things, and I haven't been able to pretty much do anything else because, like I said, I don't want to shift this big ring light, and it's only 14 inches, but it's really big because it has a big tripod on it, and I'd have to shift it around and everything and unplug it from where it is and plug it up somewhere else. With this tabletop one, I can move around more. So guys, I just hope that you will enjoy my videos to come, and hopefully I'll be able to do more hauls next. After this video, I'm going to do a haul video of some of the stuff. And I'm sorry, guys, but when I get stuff in, I'm sorry. I still forget to hold on to it until I do a video. But I really couldn't hold on to this ring light. My husband didn't even save the box from it. So I will leave a link in the video. And on my next video, I will show you the ring light itself in my next video. And so I think that that's all that I want to talk about. But I really do hope that everyone is doing okay under this quarantine that we're in. And I hope everyone is really, truly being safe at this time. I really do hope you're being safe, guys. And I pray that all is well with all of you, and that none of you have come in contact with the coronavirus personally. And let us keep praying for those who have come in contact, because this is a very serious disease, guys. And people really do need our prayers. People do need our prayers. And I hope that I pray that you all will be very careful as you go about your day, and be safe. And so, guys, I thank you for watching this video, sticking with me, and I hope to have more variety to come. And so, guys, that's pretty much what I want to talk about in this video. So, guys, you'll probably see me in my next video. All right, everyone. Bye-bye, and love you all. And please continue to stay safe. Love.